Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 7. This section is going to be all about authority building. I kind of touched on a few of these topics in the last section, but in this section, we're going to go into greater detail and why it's more important for building up your SEO. And authority building is all about making your business the go-to name online. It's huge because Google and customers trust the expert. Let's think links, mentions, and reviews. When other people are linking out to you online, whether that be on social media or if they're leaving you a great review on your local Google My Business profile, that gives you credibility in another way than it just being on your website. And Google uses that credibility to push you up in the search results, and that in turn helps pull more clients in. And so you're creating more customers out of getting more views on your stuff online. And so you can see how each side just completely helps lift up the other. So the more that you're being seen as the authority online is the more views that you're getting on your website, and that means more revenue into your business. And so with that, our first section coming up is going to be local SEO and how local SEO helps boost up your overall search engine optimization rankings. And I'll see you in that next video.